Boom! Hey guys, this is Extreme with here, and today we are unboxing the Beyblade Burst 2-pack with Spryzen and Odax. I just picked these guys up today at my local Target. Weebladers were concerned that the Beyblade Burst Hasbro version will not be released in the United States. Thank goodness they got all the copyright approval in Japan or something. But yeah, so here we have Spryzen, aka Spryzen, and we have Odax, aka Odin. Yeah, very interesting Beyblades, different colors, recolors. Let's start and slightly different from the typical burst. So here's stats, good old stats. I love them so much. Interesting Beyblades, nothing too special. I like the graphics. Good, they look pretty cool actually. Yeah, so let's go ahead and open them right now. Here's the forged disc, Fusion. Nothing too special. It seems a bit lighter, but looks pretty shiny. Not fake, but it looks pretty good. Here is Fusion. So unfortunately, the disc and the driver are quite different from its current version. This is Tiffany's version of Burst. As you can tell, the way it has the C card, it doesn't stick to the bottom part. There's the main differences. It's just let's go to Odax. Odax is a player. Works. And I'll keep on bait hunting for you as much as I possibly can. Alright? So, see you guys.